Here we have another example of limits involving trig. For this problem we have the limit as theta approaches 0 for theta cubed, cotangent theta, cosecant theta. The first step would be to change all of these trig functions into sine and cosine functions. And so I'm going to write this as the limit as theta approaches 0 for theta cubed, cotangent would go to cosine theta over sine theta, and cosecant would be 1 over sine theta. From here, I can use the commutative property and regroup, reorganize some of these terms. And so what I'm going to do is say theta over sine theta. I'm just taking one of these thetas, put it over the sine. I'm going to do the same thing here, theta over sine theta. And that cosine theta, I'll leave that as a numerator, but I'm going to put it over 1. And I still have another theta to use, so I'll just put it on the end. Now recall, we have a theorem that says the limit as theta approaches 0 for sine theta over theta is equal to 1. It's true that if you take the reciprocal, it'll still go to 1. So with this being reciprocated, I can still allow it to go to 1. And so as I go to that limit, this first expression can go to 1. The second expression can go to 1. The third expression, if I let the limit as theta goes to 0, if I put 0 in for cosine, cosine of 0 is 1. And for this last term, the limit as theta approaches 0, that goes to 0. So you have 1 times 1 times 1 times 0. Final answer is 0.